This video is for those of you who already have all of your settings in your Dimension Style Manager and just need a real quick review on the baseline dimension. So making sure you have your dimension layer and you're using the linear dimension. Remember that the first point you pick sets the baseline for all of your future dimensions. So I'm going to pick the line to the left, and then your endpoint here. I'm going to go ahead and space this out, 0.625 for the first dimension. Now, under your annotate ribbon, you're going to find either continue on the top or you're going to find baseline. So if you click on baseline, every single point you pick will now be set back to the baseline, which is the line over here on the left, and all of your dimensions will be located to that baseline. Working up from the bottom to the top, the first dimension, because this is going to be our baseline, we're going to pick this point first. I'm going to pick that as my second point, bring that over the 0.625. That sets that dimension. I'll come back and move that text in just a minute. Baseline. Now I'm going to pick each one of these points, and that sets the baseline. Quickly to move this, remember that when you click on your grip box, you can move your text. I always have trouble with that arrowhead pointing. I took the ortho off, and I'm then able to move my text over here, lining up the grip, and then just kind of lining up that dimension. I may have to go back and just offset the dimension, or offset the object line 5/8 just to get that in the exact point. So just looking at those, lining up, pick the dimension, move it over, and then use the erase command with the window to get around that whole line, and that's how you use the baseline.